Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the wheat, an important material to craft fertilizer in Heartopia. So first, what is wheat used for? Wheat is one of the main ingredients that needed to make fertilizer like this. Which which helps your crops grow better. And then there are two easy ways to get wheat. The first way is from the quest rewards. Some quests will directly give you wheat after completion, and so make sure to always check your quest rewards. And then the second way, the most common one is by harvesting your crops like this. When you're farming, sometimes you will notice a small green plant that growing on your crop plot like this. It has a green plant like this. Just harvest your crop as usual, and the wheat will be collected automatically. Just tap on the pick up like this. You will notice the wheat collected automatically like this. You will get the wheat again like this, and then it will go straight into your backpack like this one. And okay, that's it. Super easy way to get wheat for fertilizer in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.